This right here is a $10 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. So for you to be able to withdraw from this, you have to meet the required terms and conditions first. So once you meet the required terms and conditions, then you can withdraw from this. Okay, so as you can see, I've gotten mine already and I'm already trading with it. Okay, so I'm already trading with it. So you can still go and claim yours right now. It's still available. Yes, it's still available. So go and claim yours right now. So all you just need to do is to register. You first download the app, then you register, then you claim the bonus. Okay, so go and claim yours now. So the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. Yes, and as you can see, I've updated my guides already that I'm going to be dropping the $10 no deposit bonus very soon. Okay, so if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so I can be getting daily update. Okay, and 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel if you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses. Please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Institutions, so you can see them right here. For eligibility, you must open a real account with Salma FX, and the trading volume is what, 5 lots. So you must trade at least 5 lots to meet the bonus requirement. And for the account maintenance, your trading account must be maintained for a minimum of 30 days. Okay, so you can see the bonus terms. The $10 is non-withdrawable, so $10 itself is non-withdrawable unless you trade with the bonus amount first. Okay, so the $10 is non-withdrawable, but your profits can be withdrawn. Okay, you can withdraw your profits. So profit generated from trading with the bonus can be withdrawn. I've said that before. So the subject to SAMA FX terms and conditions. So the bonus cannot be used for internal transfers. Okay, so all these are the terms and conditions needed for withdrawal. Okay, so just go through them. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to download the app. Yes, that's the first thing that you need to do. We have to download the app. So I've done that already. So as you can see, it's opening, it's loading. Okay, so we want to get the $10 no deposit bonus that we can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it once you follow their terms and conditions. Okay, so it's still loading. You can see it right here. The name of the app is Salma Market Company. So after downloading it, you have to register. You register using your phone name, your agent ID. You can ignore the agent ID. Then you input your email, your phone number, okay, and your password. So once you're done doing that, then you click on register. So as you can see, I'm still inputting mine. Okay, so once you get to the program reward, Once you get to the program reward, you can either choose not join the program, or you choose the other one, which is gold 100 GR. You have to pick gold 100 GR. If gold 100 GR is not working out, then you can pick not join the program, okay? But for me, I choose gold 100 GR, okay? So I'm just going to click on it. So once I'm done doing that, you accept the customer's agreement, then you register. Okay, so it's loading. Yeah, so once it's done loading, it's going to bring out your email and your password. Okay, that's what you're going to use to log in. They're going to help you change the password. Okay, so we're going to use it to log in. So you're just going to click on continue. You can save it somewhere. You can save the email and password somewhere. So we'll click on continue. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to get your MT5 details, but we are not logging into a demo account. We want a live account, okay? So we're just going to ignore that. Then click on get bonus. Okay, so you can see, do you want to open a new MT4 live account with $100 bonus? So you said yes, you continue with it. Okay, so as you can see, it's loading. So it's going to bring out your live login details, okay? So I've gotten my MetaTrader 4 ID. I've gotten my trading password. So I'm going to head on to MetaTrader 4 right now to log in, okay? So I'm just going to input MetaTrader 4, then click on it. Okay, so I'm just going to click on those three icons right here, then click on the plus button, then open an existing account. So I'm going to be inputting the name of the broker, which is Salma Markets FX. Yes, Salma Markets FX. Okay, so once you do that, then I'll also be inputting my login ID and my password. So we are logging into MetaTrader 4, not MetaTrader 5. Okay, yes, it's MetaTrader 4. So I'm going to be inputting my login ID and my password. So after doing that, I'll click on login. Okay, so I've done that already. So I'm just going to click on sign in. Yes, so as you can see, I've gotten my $10 no deposit bonus. Okay, so I can trade with it and I can also withdraw from it. Okay, once I follow the terms and conditions, I should be able to withdraw from it. So there's no KYC verification, though you're going to need KYC verification at some point. That will be when you want to withdraw. Okay, you need to verify. Okay, so go and claim yours right now. It's still available.